Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's dive into the problem we'll be discussing. In the code provided, there seems to be a peculiar problem arising when using the std format function. The issue occurs due to the requirement of aligned arguments by std format, leading to a runtime error regarding misaligned addresses. Quite the problem, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to this tricky situation. The key lies in passing temporaries to the std format function. By creating temporaries before passing them as arguments, we ensure that the values are aligned properly. The code snippet provided showcases the corrected way of utilizing std format with aligned arguments. And voila! The problem is elegantly solved with this approach. So, remember to create those temporaries. In summary, we address the challenging problem related to misaligned addresses in the std format function. By passing temporaries as arguments, we were able to fix the alignment issue and prevent runtime errors. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to us. Time to say goodbye, and as always, happy coding.